wasa nk'ibisanzwe ni Joshua abanyarwanda na bro. Uyu munsi rero Axton cyangwa umunyamerika uteye ubwoba cyangwa umuntu tuzi kwirukana kuri iyi si Imana cyangwa uzi gukora amasiporo atandukanye menshi cyane. Ubwo yageraga mu Rwanda nyine ejo bundi naberetse video abana ari kumwe na Kagarara, ariko na n'uyu munsi baracyari kumwe. Noneho bageze muri gym baje kureba abatipe baterura aho gati aho ngaho muraza kureba tipe uturuka Rusizi, dore nguwo hano ari guturuka bariya bose baturuka Rusizi. Kagarara na uriya mupeti wundi aha bari baje kwiyerekana. Noneho abashinzwe gym barababwira ati muze murebe ibyo tubafitiye hano. Tubafitiye ibyuma bya tsari. Guys, ngusaba aho kutarakanda subscribe nicyo gihe ukaza ukatira subscribe hano tukaza tugendana step by step. Nibutsa ko uri kumwe na Joshua and
So chat, this is Ashton's small team. So tell us about your team and what you have going, and you know what the mission is and the goal is for these people.
So
I would translate. He was saying he wanted to show people like disability people that they can also do.
No, he knows. Okay. He knows.
Yes. What
up?
kugira ngo mwereke isi muri rusange muri ya ntego yanjye mfite ko disability is not inability. I'm here for you, ndahari ku bwanyu kugira ngo tangire. Yes. So this is my God. Yes.
Yeah. There we go. Let's go.
Yes. Huh?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give me 60. 6. Come on. 7. Come on. 8, 9, 10, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. Dang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 6, 7, 8.
So, you see this man?
W's in the chat. We take no L's. They want me to do the bench challenge, bro, but it's too easy, bro. It's too easy.
Too easy,
man. It's too easy.
Too easy.
Hey, big shout out. What's your name, bro? Huh? Lagua?
John Pumsen.
John Pumsen? Oh, God. God. Nah, I ain't gonna punch him. I ain't gonna punch him. Nah, I ain't gonna kick him. I'm finna kick him, bro.
He's known as the heavy
No, I ain't gonna kick him.
Heavyweight, we got this.
Love, brother, love. God.
One thing.
Yeah, y'all seen him punching him in the arm? God.
Hard.
Huh?
He squat 120.
He squats 120?
He's coach.
So you bodybuild?
Yeah, of course.
What's your name? W's in the chat for Patrick.
This guy.
God.
Look.
Why is everything so hard though, bruh?
I want to say one thing.
Huh?
Push up. Jazz. Go.
Why you throwing him around like that?
Go up.
Stand on him?
No. Sell him.
This man is crazy. No, I'm not finna stand on him.
You want me to stand? You want me to stand, brother?
Yeah.
Yes, stand.
Your brother doesn't like that. So, but anything, any
Small
challenge
ain't
he
going
wants,
for
'cause
that.
he can
Small ain't going for that. Respect is love.
love.
Respect. God dang. Huh?
So, Kagarara, do you
Nice to meet you, bro. Respect, bro. Hey, look, what you're doing is admirable, bro. You look amazing. You keep going. Well, brother, what's the challenge? How many can we do?
How many are you doing? Let's go. Let's go for 100.
What?
So they want picture
Let's do it.
with the people with disability.
Easy, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Everybody right here on the side, you right here in the middle.
Ngwino hano muse ku mpande mwese anga ngenda abandi hano hagati.
He part of your crew? He part of your crew? He part of your crew too?
There's someone who works.
He has disability? Oh, he works. He has disability?
He does not have leg. He does not have the leg.
Really?
Yeah, he just wear the medical.
Oh, wow. Okay. Lion. Hands up. Hey, tell him spin that back. Tell him spin that song back and turn it back up. They need to spin it back, turn it up. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Love, bro. Love, brother. Love.
They have already set the weight. You want to start with 100? I don't know, with the all long day, if you willing to.
I'm gonna look. I'll see y'all's challenges. Let's do it. I'll be the spot.
Too easy.
Why is that? This fella right here wants to compete in everything. He wants to compete in everything. Chat, you better give me at least 8.
8.
I need at least 8. 8 reps. They said that's too easy. You better give me at least 8, bro. He's trying to race me. Now he's trying to bench press me. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah. Too easy.
I'll take it. Come on. Chat, if they go over 15, I'll go. If they don't hit over 15, I ain't going. Hey, these are 20s?
Yes.
This is 45? 45 pounds?
20 kg.
How many pounds is that?
Yes.
Huh?
45 minutes.
It's 45? Is it 45 or 55?
No, this one 45. It was 45.
Okay. Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Give me some, bro.
Easy. 13. You got that. Come on, you got another one. You got another one. 14. Come on. Get it up. Get it up. Give it up.
Last one. Bro, how many are you gonna push? I'm 100.
How much? 100? 100?
How many push-ups you are going to do?
It means
Just gonna to hit up to 100.
he don't know what you're saying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it. Everybody want to challenge me to everything, bro. They don't want me to just come in here and just vibe. 1, 2, 3, all the way up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fully extend. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Too easy. Too easy. Hey, this look like Nigerian National Hall. It's like flames. 1, 2, all the way up. 3, 4, 5, 6. That boy short stroking.
Let's go! Come on.
How many was that? Y'all want me to go? Yeah, I'll go.
Go easy.
Let's do this.
Let's go.
Let's go. I'm counting that. 2. That's nice. 3, come on. 4, come on. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 9.
Come on.
1, 2, come on. 3, give me 20. Give me last 5. 5, come on. 6,
Let's go. Do it. Let's go.
Little pump. Tired. Okay. Love, so good to meet you. Okay.
bro.
Let's get it.
Hey, who has my phone though? Hey, Billy, you got my phone? Somebody got it.
You said W's in the chat. What do you mean?
W's in the chat. What do I mean?
What do you
It
mean?
means like a win. Victory.
Victory.
Win. Success.
W is win.
Yeah.
My man.
It means
I
things
love
are
that.
going good.
Every time I hear that,
Thank you, bro.
every time I hear that, it's inspiring.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
W's in the chat.
Thank you, bro. For love. Let me see.
Let's do.
Easy. Yeah.
2,
Yeah.
3,
Yeah. Love. Fire, bro. Fire.
He's gonna try.
I'll spot. Oh, chat. Oh, how I'm tired. I need some food or something. Huh? Hands even, hands even, hands even, hands even. Hold on. Over. Go up. Right here. Brother, listen, wait. Hands even. On the groove.
Yes, ngushimira wowe byimazeyo watwarebanye iyi video, ndagushimira cyane wakoze kugira neza cyangwa wakoze kureba video yose karangira. Reka tuzasubirana ubutaha uri kumwe na Joshua w'Abanyarwanda. Let's go.